Hi friends, this is Dattatreya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to learn a new Vedic maths trick. This is trick number 31. So please try to concentrate on this trick. So the trick is nothing but dividing a number, a large number by 5. So let's see how this trick works. So what's our topic? Dividing a large number by 5. Okay, today this is our topic. Let's learn how to solve this. Okay, so I'm taking a number, for sample 293. I want to divide it by 5. So first of all, when I want to divide this number by 5, you should multiply that number by 2. So 293 by multiplying with 2 gives you 6, 8, 1, 5. So 586 is came as your answer. So when your answer is came, from last digit you should take one digit back and keep it dot, nothing but point. So your answer is 58.6. So let me open my calculator and let's check the answer. So 293 divided by 5. Let's check it once. 293 divided by 5. See, the answer is 58.6. Did we got that answer? Yeah. So this process is working. Okay. Let's take one more trick and solve. So the one more number is 1206. Let's take 4-digit number right now and let's divide it by 5. So you should multiply it by 2. Okay. So 2 6 are 12. 1. So 2 2s are 4. 2 1s 2. So this is the number you got. From last one digit you should keep 1 point here. So the answer will be 241.2. So 1206 divided by 5, let's see. 1206 divided by 5 is 241.2. So our answer is correct. So let's take one more problem by 5 digits. So the number is 29062. Okay, let's multiply. Okay, divide by 5 only. So for dividing it by 5, let's multiply by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 6 12, 2 1. Okay, so 2 9s are 18, 8 1, 2 2s are 4, 1 5. So this is the number we got. So let's take here a point. Okay, from last number you should keep a point. Okay, so let's see. 29062 divided by 5 is 29062 divided by 5 is 5812.4. See, our answer is correct. So in this way we can solve any type of questions. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like and share and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.